Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In this video, I'm just going to share a few stories of mine, some skincare disasters, some horror stories related to skincare that I had done by just blindly following a lot of things that appeared on the internet, which a lot of people still are doing. I see a lot of videos where it's completely misleading and it's clearly evident that those things what they show related to skincare are misleading. However, people blindly believe such videos. There are a lot of people out there who don't have much knowledge, so I'm just here to share certain experiences of mine that led to some skincare disaster. My first story is about apple cider vinegar. A few years back, apple cider vinegar was very trendy and there are a lot of videos out there where people would use it for weight loss and a lot of other things. So I did try it for quite a few things, and one of those things was skincare. Apple cider vinegar actually is a great ingredient if it is used in a well formulated skincare product. However, when it comes to raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, you can't put it on the face. So what I did was I saw a video and where apple cider vinegar was used as a toner. So I did dilute it in 1 part of apple cider vinegar and 3 parts of water, and then I thought of using it as a toner because that's what was shown in that video. So this was like a DIY toner. So I started using it. First of all, the smell was very bad. After washing my face, I sprinkled it on my face to use it as a toner. I had a few acne over here near my jawline, and those were like, I don't know, it's like there since many years. After I sprinkled it, it inflamed that acne very badly and it was like very badly swollen and it had become completely red. I realized something was wrong and I stopped using that from that time. When I look back now, when I analyze and observe what went wrong, is that apple cider vinegar, even when it's diluted, it is still very acidic, so it is not suitable to be used on the face. If you have a product which has apple cider vinegar as one of its ingredients, it's fine to use that because it is well formulated in a certain concentration which is suitable and fit enough to be used on the face. However, when you take a raw apple cider vinegar which is like raw and unfiltered, and even if it's diluted and sprinkled on the face, it is highly acidic, and that is why it can cause inflammation, redness, and this can even burn the skin and a lot of other skin problems. So do not do this. Okay, the next thing is something which a lot of people must have done and are still doing because these products are still being sold. This is peel off mask. So this is another thing that was trending a few years back. So I also got into that. By just looking at those videos, I also wanted to try that, and it was quite satisfying to look at people peeling off the mask and all the white heads and black heads coming off. It did not work that way. So I did get a peel off mask and I applied it on my nose, all over the face. First of all, it is so painful to peel off the mask on the face. So when I used it, I did see a lot of redness around my nose area. I did get breakouts too. So it was obviously my skin was obviously irritated. So the main purpose of people using peel off mask is to remove whiteheads and blackheads. So first of all, this is something it does not do effectively. Secondly, it is quite harsh on the skin. It can leave the skin completely red, inflamed, cause redness and a lot of irritation on the skin. So this is something I wouldn't recommend now. I don't use peel off mask anymore, and that was the last time I used it. If you want to use a mask, use a wash off mask which you can apply and keep. Use something which will be beneficial for your skin type and for your skin concern. Third story is another thing that was trending. It is related to waxing and grooming. So this is about hard wax, which is also known as a stripless wax, where you don't have to use those waxing strips. Warm that wax, apply it, and then it becomes hard, and then you peel off that wax. You don't need a waxing strip for that. So this is something I tried. In those internet videos, they show that they apply it all over the arms, like from here till here, okay, and then once it becomes like dry, then they pull it off like this. and it comes off so easily, and all the hairs are clean. So now when I tried it, I did not apply it to such a big section, this much section. When I applied it, it got dry, and I tried to pull it off. It was a disaster. It did not come off properly. It started breaking. What I observed from my experiences, these hard wax, they are not suitable for waxing larger sections. It is suitable for small sections, like certain areas of the face, very small areas. If you want to wax, it is okay. Another thing that they show, it's painless wax, but it does have the same amount of pain. It doesn't work in the way that they show in those videos where it just comes off in one go. No, it breaks, and it doesn't come off properly. It is very time consuming if you have to do very small sections on the arms. So for the face and certain smaller areas like upper lip and all, it's fine. Okay, so the last story is something which is very scary, and till today I'm facing the consequences and bearing the brunt of doing that stupidity. I did this back when I was in college, and I was really stupid to try anything and everything. I got this hair removal cream, and I wanted to shape my eyebrow, but instead of trying to like do proper shaping of it, I just chopped off one side of the eyebrow using that cream. And now this was so many years back, and till today I have very sparse hairs. My eyebrow hair is very thick, but towards the end it's very sparse. So, and I did it on one side only and the other side was fine. Today I would say that I wouldn't recommend hair removal creams to be used not just on the face but any part of the body. So hair removal cream contains very high amount of toxic chemicals that it causes the skin to get burnt and get highly pigmented. So stay away from these creams and do not use it ever on your body. Lot of things that go trending, but not everything is beneficial for the skin, so I just wanted to put that message across. That is all from today's video. I hope you found something useful information in this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I do a lot of skincare related reviews. I do makeup tutorials sometimes hair too, so you can find a lot of these videos from the description box below. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can always write it down in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.